Good morning YouTube, welcome to my first video. So today we're going to be fitting a Malian back box to my mx5. It's freezing, so today's going to be fun. Shouldn't take too long though, because it's just a back box. It's just if the bolt's a bit rusty, then yeah, we're going to have a problem. But it is a beautiful day, so I'm not going to moan, and I'm just going to enjoy it. And then later on we can go out for some rips. Let's go fit it. I'm back at the mx5, the shed. Give you a quick sound check before I change it, so then you can get like a before and after. So yeah, here it is. So there is the before, and now let's get changed. So rather than jacking it up, I'm just going to put it on bricks. I'm going to drive it onto some bricks. There's one, because I don't need much room to get under, and this is going to take 5 seconds, and it'll be a lot safer. So I've got no axle stands, so I'm going to put bricks under it, drive over, and then yeah, should be good to go. Let's get the exhaust in the car. There she is. Finally under the car. Let's try and get it off. It's a bit crusty, but it's not too bad. Oh yeah, I have no tools. Oh shit. So, it's undone, but these hangers are an absolute pig, mate. Come on, bitch. Can't fucking see. So, got it off. Let's see what it sounds like without a back box. Nice. Oh, I should have done this one first. Oh, she's on. As you can see, she's on. But now I need to get some bolts in her. Got the exhaust paste, got a little wire brush just to scrape any of the rust off. Yeah, let's go finish it off and then we can hear it. Well, I've heard it, but it's blowing well bad. So yeah, let's go. But so yeah, as I said, it's blowing quite a bit. So I'm just going to get some exhaust paste on it. Right, exhaust paste all on. Not pretty, but it will do. Let's get a start up. Ah, looks sick though. I'll show you properly in a minute. Right, let's have a look. It is back on its stock wheels. I need new tyres, and I wanna get them sprayed white because I'm not overly keen on the chrome. I like it, it's cool, but I want them white. So they're currently off. Gonna wait for the paste to go off a little bit. Gonna go and have a shower, and yeah, I'm gonna take it out for a drive. It does look pretty sick though. Yeah, man, sick. I've set the camera up, I think, as good as I can get. So, sorry if you can't hear me. I might have to get like a marker or something for wind noise, or I don't know. But let's go for a little drive. But overall, it sounds alright. For 100 quid, what more do you actually want for 100 quid, honestly? So I'm happy with it. Just need to sort out the blowing, and it'll be sound. Smell like a little bit of burning, because it was like pretty much touching that. So sort that out and it'll be all good. I think next I'll get the wheels refurbed. So they are pretty sick wheels, to be fair. So I'll get them back on. I really do want to lower it, but I'm like decent sized speed bumps, which is a lot of them. I already like scrape on them or bottom out on them, so I don't know if I'm even going to bother. They look so much better. We'll see. I mean, maybe I'll get some cheap coilovers, lower it to what I'm happy with. If I do scrape everywhere and it's just a nuisance, then I'll just higher up a little bit. This will be better than what it is. Fucking old woman telling me to slow down, doing 20 miles an hour. Fucking old bidder. So that's the thing with having a loud exhaust. Old people, well, mostly old people, not discriminating against all old people, but most of them think you're speeding when you're not. It sounds loud. Fucking go then. But she was like, fuck off. Fucking old biddy, man. Wasn't even speeding, love. I was in a 30 doing 20. Some people just don't want his kids to have fun.